Hey everyone, it's Brad Killgore here from America's Best Shops. And today I wanted to run by you just a few cool tips that I think could be helpful for your business. A lot of times people are they're just trying to get their feet wet when it comes to AI in their business or their personal life, whatever the case may be. And a couple of things that I was just talking to my associates about today were essentially that if you're to just start somewhere, get started, and it's going to make a difference. Because when it's something new, I mean, any of us, when we're dealing with something new, it's a challenge, and we're like, okay, what do we do with this situation? So if you were to just start talking to ChatGPT or to Gemini, maybe those are a couple of good places to start. They have a feature where you can turn on the ability to talk to it with your voice. And I think that that's super helpful because, like most of us, typing is not my superpower, but I can sure talk and I can get a lot out of my head quicker if I am talking it versus typing it. And the other thing is I can I can use this in my business. I can use this in my personal life, whether that be my morning routine or my gratitude list or whatever I want it to be. I can start utilizing AI in my day-to-day life, start communicating with it, get a voice note in there if nothing else, and then have it summarize it and save it. Another good feature right now in the Google ecosphere is Google LM, Notebook LM, sorry, Notebook LM. And there's a lot of cool features in there where you can upload voice notes, you can organize them, can save them for later. And that could be for your business, your personal life, your vacation coming up, whatever it is. You can really start organizing your thoughts, your projects, and you use AI, leverage it to get some of these things done. So, with that being said, hopefully that's helpful. We're going to be pumping out a lot of new tips and tricks and ideas, and I just want to keep it simple. There'll be some more advanced things that we'll be sharing, but hopefully that's just a good start on what to do to get your feet wet with AI.